SFI as a company has been running for just over 2 years now, but installed solutions at Placemakers Riccarton have been around a long time. We took all that expertise and put it in one place and created Placemakers SFI.
SFI speeds the build up because we're communicating amongst ourselves. We're able to let the builder know when we can help them out, get to things quicker, but we also know where the job's at right from the start.
SFI covers off 5 critical elements in the build: foundations, roofing, windows, heating and electrical.
I heard about Placemakers SFI through my rep. He introduced me to foundations and windows on a job we were building in Lincoln.
The wealth of experience that the SFI team have made it a lot more easy on me.
You can book them in on dates and they're there.
For a builder who's never used Placemakers SFI, you'd start with your account manager, and the account manager can take you through the whole suite of offers that we have. They'll introduce you to some of the experts we have, whether it be commercial SFI or around our foundations or the key people in electrical, and they will create those relationships with them as well.
We have a combination of project managers that we employ, but we also then have between 70 to 100 contractors at any time working for us. We have built really established relationships with our contractors. Some of them have been working for us for 15, 20 years. They all are at the standard of workmanship that we require.
Basically, our goal is to supply the builders one-stop shop. If they need it and they want us to manage it and price it for them, we'll do it.
You show up and it's ready to go. Health and safety is to a high standard and all the paperwork's always there.
And a lot of them now are using Builder Trends, so they're actually updating and using that information readily themselves on site.
In an industry now that is laden with complexity, Placemakers can really simplify that for our builders.
Builder Trend is our project management tool for supply, fix and install. It also feeds through to the branches, so all Placemakers branches can see where their job is at for the rep.
Now we know where every job is pretty much daily.
It allows us to schedule their builds from foundation through frame and truss through roof, saving them time and money, one invoice for them, one point of contact for them, and one person to be dealing with right throughout the building process.
The good thing about SFI is that it's backed by Fletchers, so you know that the guarantee that we'll always be there.
The turnaround on pricing is pretty quick, it's competitive.
By partnering with SFI, we firmly believe that we won't encounter any material shortages or material delays because they've got the buying power and the size to handle and deliver.
So yeah, they get the best of both worlds in a lot of respects. We can offer them best price, but we also give them the best service as well.
So we deal with not only our group housing builders and our small and medium residential builders, but we have the capacity to deal with our big commercial companies like Armitage Williams and Lee's Construction. A really important segment in Christchurch, our architectural builders. It's really important that we bring that real quality that our architectural builders demand. And it's not about just selling them product, it's about finding them and selling them solutions.
SFI are helping us immensely with Highview. It's a one-off tricky build. Professionalism has really been shown in the last couple of weeks with the big pour of the foundation and just seeing the amount of steel, the reinforcing, and I'm impressed. The experience, the wealth of people that are around us, I'm going, oh, excellent, this is just, and you feel relief straight away.
Placemakers wants to be the All Blacks of the building trade. We want to be the best at everything. So that means that our quality assurance and what we're delivering to our customers is really at that level.